Palakpakan dyan. Wala rin po bang hiyawan dyan? Maraming salamat po. Sa layo-layo po ng aking pinanggalingan, nandito po ako sa inyong gabi upang ipamalas ang aking kagandahan, talento, at talino. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Malia Alcantara, all the way from Gumaca, province of Quezon. At naniniwala po ako sa kasabihan, kapag ang lalaki ay hindi lumingon sa pinanggalingan, ay dahil natulala sa aking kagandahan. At bago ko pulisanin ang abang na sulok ng intabladong ito, nais ko pong sabihin sa mga batang konteserang kagaya ko na lumaban ka, may naniniwala lang sa'yo? Wala. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is your candidate number 1, and I love you all. Enjoy the rest of the night.
Thank you so much, candidate number 1. Now, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our next candidate, candidate number 2. This is the Drag Queen of Gumaca 2024, your Queen of Pagbak Festival 2024, and your Miss International Queen Philippines Calabarzon Gumaca 2024. I am Jonna Sabuel Badadulia from the Arrangan Paluarte Festival of Quezon, Gumaca, na mag-iiwan sa inyo ng isang kasabihan na napakaikli lang ng buhay. Kaya kung saan ka masaya, dun ka happy. So enjoy life to the fullest and enjoy the rest of the show, and I love you all! Let's get ready.
the radiant beacon of hope and yielding character, embracing the indomitable spirit of a true Bicolana. Serving you a gandang Sorsoganon, gandang Bicolana. Mauragan, Magayon. My name is Maria Chastity, and I'm all the way west from the land that proudly celebrates Parao Festival, Municipality of Pilar, Province of Sorsogon. A fashion model, an endorser, a beauty queen, and your reigning queen of Bicolandia International 2024. But tonight, it doesn't matter. Dahil ang tunay na reyna, hindi ipinapangalandakan kung gaanong korona ang naipatong sa kanyang ulo. Sapagkat ang pagkumbabaan at kalinisan ng iyong konsensya ang magdadala sa iyo tungo sa korona. Thank you so much and let the showdown begin.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. Canada's referee. And now, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on stage, quarterback number 4. Palakpakan! It is indeed a great pleasure to stand here in a crowd like you. My highest gratitude is not only for this experience, but for gaining this kind of courage. One must possess, because I know sometimes how we learn is more important than what we learn. What is the time the beautiful people of Poblacion, Quezon and Quezon, here in front of you, is it fresh? 19 years of age sugar, who hits tama po kayo sa siyang na oras na biyahe, lungsod ng Kalaka, lalawigan ng Batangas. And my beloved friend is Emma Maricania. And for this evening, let me remind, since Quezon and Quezon is a marine biodiversity sanctuary, I am proudly representing your queen of marine biodiversity. And just like Princess Diana said, that the true crown is not just put on the top of your head, instead inside of your heart. Despite the jewel
beauty from the outside is just a physical appearance. In the end, what matters is beauty from the inside that will rally beauty from the outside. Because a true queen does not want to wear just a golden crown, but also possess a golden heart. From the province of Quezon, where the White Festival is being celebrated, I am your queen, Trixie Bibi Gaela, your candidate number 5 from the municipality of Tagkawayan. Thank you so much and good evening.
Thank you so much. Candidate number 5.
Tunay nga akong nakakapangamba. Kalaban, ang tinagurian at kilala natin bilang isang kontisera. Hindi lamang dito sa lalawigan ng Quezon, pati na rin sa ibang nayon. Ngunit po ngayong gabi, hayaan niyo ko na may isang badyaw, negra, ang makisali upang ipakita sa inyo na may angking ganda, talino, at talento ang isang kagaya ko. Kaya ngayong gabi, umpisahan na po natin ang laban na mayroong kumpiyansa sa sarili. Hello! Hi! Mabuhay! This is your future educator. I am Jamar Marino. I am a 21 years old stunner who truly all the way from Lucena City, taking bachelor secondary education, major in English. Yes, totoo po yun. And I'm proud been lister since first year to second year. I am a second year college from ASES. And tonight, please do allow me to stand by the name, ang babaeng ipinanlaban sa Miss Universe Philippines sa taong 2024. Bakit hindi niyo po sabay-sabay palakpakan at hiyawan si Binibini Alexi Bruce? Alexi May Bruce na nag-iiwan ng isang kasabihan na ang edukasyon ang susi sa kahirapan. Kaya lagi niyo din kong pakakatandaan, balat kumanhoraiti, wag na wag niyo kong mamalitin. Dahil sa ganitong uri ng pagpipala, I'm sure may isang pansyaw at nilay ang tatatag. If you haven't, show it. Mamatay sila sa invent. Thank you so much and good evening.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. Candidate number 6. And now, ladies and gentlemen,
pagiging bakla, ngayon pa lamang po'y humihingi na po ako ng isang malaking kapatawaran. Ngunit kung ang pagiging bakla po namin ay magsisilbing tuwa, ngiti at ligaya sa inyong lahat, maaari po ba ako ulit makainin ng malakas na palakpakan? Thank you so much. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, to the honorable panel of judges. Good evening. When I came here at Ginyangan, province of Quezon, and seeing all of the candidates that I am competing with, I was wondering, how can I stand out? Because yes, I don't have big boobs, big hips, even the perfect face that all of you want. But I remember people from my province call me legend. That is why tonight, allow me to share my humblest triumphs. Last 2023, I was crowned as your Binibining Gay Pilipinas Universe that was held at Pasay City, Philippines. And I am also your newly crowned Laguna Gay Queen 2024. And opo, ako nga po, ang minsan na pong napanood sa kapuso mo Jessica Soho at sa Rated K bilang estudyante sa umaga, kontesera sa gabi. My real name is Kyla Cabin. I am 24 years old, a proud AB Mass Communication graduate, major in broadcast journalism from one of the finest universities in Manila, from the home of the Tamaras, Far Eastern University. I am a proud Dean's Lister for 4 consecutive semesters, and standing in front of you is a legitimate graduate of Magna Cum Laude. Thank you so much. Tonight, allow me to represent as your queen from the pearl of the Orient Seas, our very own country, the Philippines, who believes in the saying that it is not the queen who makes the crown, but it is the crown who definitely makes a queen. Thank you and good evening.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, maraming salamat. Candidate number 7. And now, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our last but not least candidate, candidate number 8.
Traveling for almost 10 hours away and currently residing at the Tinao Festival, City of Paguyao, Laguna. Before anything else, wala po ba ang palakpakan dyan? Wala po ba ang hiyawan dyan? Sending the message to all eternity that every homosexual should be loved to be loved, educated to be educated, respect to be respected, and understand to be understood. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Maui in Dayatan. But for tonight, please allow me to stand by the name of Miss Shamsi Subsob. Shamsi Subsob na nag-iiwan ng kasabihan, ang pagiging edukado ay hindi lamang basta't tulado o kagaling sa profesyong iyong napili. Dahil kahit ilang beses mo ipagsigawan na edukado ang tao,